The circular economy can help us do much more with much less. It can help reduce the burdens on the earth caused by our material and energy consumption. It can help protect ecological goods and services from the pollution and waste that we generate. It can also help us limit our overall demand for resources per capita so that there are enough for the well-being of all. Many countries are still developing and they need the resources to do so. The circular economy can help ensure that we secure enough resources for our societies to function and develop. Achieving a circular economy needs the engagement of society, and it will need plenty of invention and innovation. It will also require the creation of new forms of business, new technologies and processes, and new forms of governance. Such changes offer the potential to generate value to society. For example, via stimulation of employment and an increased demand for educated and skilled workers. This evolution also needs new thinking, new social systems, new forms of engagement, and new institutions. This demands an evolved society. In this course, we aim to discuss this evolution, and we invite you to both learn about circular economy actions and to share and discuss new ideas that contribute to the circular economy becoming a reality.